Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you two methods of how you can turn off profile view or turn it on your TikTok account. So when you open your TikTok app and you're on your profile page, you can just easily click on this area up here where they put this profile and two. When you click on there, you click on settings and turn it off. So like that you can be able to turn off your profile views, and also if you turn it on, you'll be able to turn it on. So another method again for you to do this is to come to this three dashed line here, and when you're on that three dashed line, you click on settings and privacy. So on settings and privacy, you just scroll up and you click on privacy. So once you're on privacy, you scroll up to you see profile views. So you turn it off if you want to turn it off, and if you want to toggle it on, you toggle it on. So that's just how you can easily do this, guys. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys.